In this recording we will go over common issues some of our users have experienced in the past when converting to physical elements. Some of the issues you may find when converting analytical elements into physical are when joins are not collinear, when intermediate analytical members have releases, different section properties, different material properties, and different member orientations. Now let's open SFrame. In this example, I have a model already built with this layout. The goal will be always the same: convert some analytical elements into a physical element. And if I display the node numbers, you will see that I want to convert the 5 members between joins 1 to 6 into one single member for design purposes. Let's start by selecting the members of interest. If I unselect all, and using the selection tool, I click and drag over my elements. Then if I go to Edit, Analytical Model, Convert to Physical Model, you will note that only 2 elements were converted and the others remain analytical. The first thing I should check is that all nodes are collinear. And some of you may wonder, how is that possible? One reason could be due to the model was imported from a third-party product such as Revit, AutoCAD, or another FEA software. The easiest way to check this is through the spreadsheet window. So if I go to the spreadsheet window and I go to the join spreadsheet, I see that in the X coordinate, join number 3 seems to be placed a few millimeters out of plane when compared to the rest of the joins. We can just change this value to -4, so it's collinear with the rest of the joins. And if I go back to the geometry window, once again go to Edit, Analytical Model, Convert to Physical Model, I see this time the whole member is continuous. For the second case, I have a similar model. I have selected these 5 elements and I would like to make them continuous. So if I go to Edit, Analytical Model, Convert to Physical, you will note that only these 3 elements were converted. If I go and check the member releases, I will see that this member have some moment releases. In order to make a continuous member, all analytical members prior conversion should have the same releases. In this case, if I hold Control with this tool active and get rid of those releases, I can once again go to Edit, Analytical Model, Convert to Physical, and I have my continuous member. For cases 3 and 4, same principle, same model. I would like to convert members 1 to 5 into one single continuous element. If I go to Edit, Analytical, Convert to Physical, I'll see that only these 3 got converted. In this case, you will need to double check your section properties. You can see in this case, this member has section property number 2. So you just need to select the right section, click and drag over that section to change it. If you check your material, you will need to make sure that every member has the same material assigned. In this case, I will select material number 1 and apply this material. Once again, I can go to Edit and Convert to a Physical Model. For the last case, I have the same model and same idea. I would like to convert these 5 elements into one continuous member. If I go to Edit, Analytical Model to Convert to Physical, I see that it only converted these 3. But if I go to the Member Axis Orientation tool, I see this local coordinate system is different from the other elements. In order to convert these elements, every member will need to have the same local coordinate system. So in this case, we'll need to set this back to 0 and apply these changes to my member. Once again, convert to physical model, and there you go. Thank you for watching, and for more tutorials and videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.